Welcome back to the podcast where we dive into the innovations shaping our world. Today, we're talking about something that's revolutionized nearly every aspect of our lives: artificial intelligence. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is everywhere.
That's right, Alex. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. AI has come a long way, evolving from simple algorithms to complex systems that can learn and adapt. And its impact is nothing short of incredible. From healthcare to education, AI is making processes more efficient and personalized. AI is transforming how we live, work, and connect. It's an exciting time to explore these advancements.
Take healthcare, for example. AI is revolutionizing the field in ways we never imagined. AI is saving lives by diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. It's like having an extra set of eyes that never tire. Remember the story about that AI system detecting early-stage cancer? It caught what humans might have missed.
Absolutely, it's game-changing. Robotic surgery is making procedures less invasive and recovery times shorter. And not just in hospitals. Think about wearable tech that tracks our health in real time. These devices are like personal health assistants. People are catching issues before they become serious, all thanks to AI. It's empowering individuals to take control of their health. And let's not forget how AI is bridging gaps in education, making it more inclusive and accessible for everyone. Students in remote areas now have access to personalized learning tools, which adapt to their individual needs and learning styles. This technology is giving everyone a chance to succeed, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic background.
Exactly. AI is leveling the playing field, providing equal opportunities for all. And speaking of accessibility, what about language translation? AI is breaking down language barriers. Real-time AI translators are making the world smaller and more connected, enabling seamless communication across different languages and cultures.
It's beautiful to see how AI is bringing people together. But beyond convenience, it's also tackling some of the world's biggest challenges, like climate change.
Yes, AI is helping scientists predict weather patterns, optimize energy use, and even monitor deforestation from space. It's giving us tools to protect our planet.
And let's not forget the smaller, everyday ways AI helps us. From virtual assistants to smart home devices, AI makes life a little easier for everyone.
That's what's so amazing. Whether it's a groundbreaking discovery or a simple convenience, AI is touching lives in ways we never imagined.